This is a standard LED module. Its length is 320 mm and its width is 160 mm. The distance between two LED chips is the pixel pitch. The total pixel count of the entire LED module is 8,192 dots. This is the backside of the LED module. You can observe this information: pixel pitch, resolution, scanning method. This is a set of RCG driver ICs. They control the three colors of red, green, and blue respectively. This module has a total of 16 sets of driver ICs. Each IC has a corresponding control area. When the driver IC of a module malfunctions, you can locate the corresponding IC through the abnormally displaying area. These are row decoders. The row decoder acts as the commander, and the driver IC serves as the executor. These two work in synergy to accurately light up each pixel on the module, ultimately enabling the module to display properly. Here is the introduction to the Pixel 2.5 standard module. We hope it proves helpful to you.